When thousands of applicants compete using the same manual search strategies, the probability of a single resume reaching a human eye drops towards zero. We are going to build an autonomous workflow that identifies high-paying, automation-resilient roles tailored to your specific experience in under 5 minutes. To execute this, you only need 2 assets ready: a finalized PDF resume and an active account on Claude. The objective is to stop using manual effort to compete against algorithms and instead deploy your own machine to do the heavy lifting of your career advancement. Open a new chat in Claude and drag your PDF resume directly into the interface. Now, give the AI its operational parameters. Tell Claude, "You are an expert career counselor. Review my resume and find me remote roles paying at least $100,000 a year." Apply specific filters by instructing the AI to exclude traditional software engineering roles and focusing exclusively on positions that are resilient to future automation. To ensure accuracy, route this search exclusively through the Indeed connector. This forces the model to use live, active job data rather than its own training set. Using these restrictive parameters transforms a standard chatbot into a highly targeted data mining operation. Once you enter the prompt, Claude begins interacting with the external job boards in the background. This diagram shows the scale of the execution. The system is simultaneously firing off dozens of parallel searches across live databases to find a match for your uploaded profile. This bypasses the linear, slow process of a human clicking through individual pages one at a time. The result is a curated list of 10 active job postings that match your compensation requirements and experience level. This automation compresses weeks of tedious internet research into a few seconds of compute time. For a more advanced setup, you can move away from text-based models and use an autonomous tool like the Comet browser. After dropping your resume and prompt into Comet's chat, you grant the application permission to physically control your screen. This blue light signifies that the AI has moved from a thinking state to active execution on your desktop. During this automated search, the AI navigates to LinkedIn, types your requirements, and applies salary and remote filters on its own. As pages load, the agent reads the individual job descriptions and cross-references those requirements against your resume in real time. This shifts your role to the manager of a digital agent, overseeing a system that executes the search for you. A list of 10 perfect jobs is only useful if you change the generic resume you used at the start. Corporate hiring is managed by the Applicant Tracking System, or ATS, the software gatekeeper used by nearly every major company. The ATS is programmed to scan for specific keyword density. It deletes 99% of incoming resumes before a human recruiter ever sees them. These systems are built by enterprise software giants like Workday to manage applicant volume by ruthlessly discarding documents that don't match the job listing's technical requirements. To pass this filter, take the text of the job description you want and feed it back into Claude alongside your original resume. Instruct the model to rewrite your bullet points and tailor your experience to match the exact keywords used in that specific job posting. Success at this stage means translating your human experience into the specific machine-readable format the gatekeeper demands. You now possess a curated list of high-paying jobs and a custom ATS-optimized resume for every single application. You have successfully outsourced the most exhausting part of the job hunt directly to a machine. Your only remaining task is to review documents, hit submit, and prepare for your human interviews. The exact prompts used in this video are linked in the description below. If you want to continue building leverage with these tools, subscribe. In the modern economy, professionals who leverage automated workflows will consistently outpace those who still rely on manual effort.